I love coming here. You guys have everything. You guys are awesome, and I love the customer service.
How long you been coming here?
For already like 20 years at least. Since I was a young child coming here for bike parts, bike chains and stuff. So
So tell us a little bit about your vocation and why National is important to that.
well, you guys have things that most hardware stores don't have and don't carry, and then the knowledge here too. Like everyone, you guys always supply. You guys find ways of figuring things out, and that's what I like, the knowledge.
What's the difference between us and the big box?
All that and just the knowledge, just the experience you guys have in whatever industry you're into. Like me, the gardening, you guys find things, make things, or that's just what I like doing. Basically engineer stuff, so I like it a lot. I love this store. Well, everything in here is awesome. I mean, you see things that you normally don't see in other stores, down to just any everyday, like the assortment of pliers you guys have right here. You just walk in. A lot of people don't even know that each one of those are different tools, and they all have a different purpose. So, I mean, it's cooler. I like it.
Well,
Yes,
you
we
know,
have a lot
also,
of stuff.
if you could say something, because we really try to preserve community here,
Yeah.
So, and that's important these days.
Well, yeah, like you guys have your this J Moore's lubricant. I know that's made here in Fresno. So I like that. It's giving back to the community. So, you guys are selling, stuff that's made here in Fresno. So, I find that really good. I take pride in buying stuff like that too, because that's me putting back into my community. So, I'm Fresno born and raised.